Welcome to this overview of the Hoovers Company Directory database. The Hoovers Company Directory provides a directory of privately and publicly traded companies worldwide. You can use Hoovers to create lists of companies by specific attributes like their location, industry, sector, size, and etc. Or you can use Hoovers to provide detailed profiles for publicly traded companies. These profiles tend to include details like a company overview, the people who are in the leadership positions for those companies, financial statements, including SEC filings and other tax documents, industry analysts that write SWOT analysis, and more. Hoovers can be found in the A to Z database list accessible from the library homepage. So let's take a look. From the library homepage, you'll use the Search Databases function located under Research Resources. Use the search box to find Hoovers, and the option you want is the one on top. Hoovers is limited to 51 concurrent users. So if you ever have trouble getting in, you might just wait and come back to the database later. The first function of Hoovers is to build a company list. This can be really useful when you need to figure out all of the businesses related to your search inquiry by a specific attribute. So for example, let's say we want to find businesses specifically located in the District of Columbia. So you can use the search, identify your location, perhaps choose additional attributes like the industry, for example. Maybe here I'll choose an industry. These industry lists are developed by NAICS, is the most common one. So if you know the NAICS code for the industry you're interested in, you can simply utilize it there. And after you're done identifying as many of the attributes as you'd like to, you can view your results and have a comprehensive list. In this case, I chose real estate industries in the District of Columbia, all companies that do real estate and brokering in the district. So now I have a comprehensive list. The other way that folks tend to use Hoovers is to do direct company searches. And that company search is located at the top, making it really easy to find and easy to use. If there is a company that you'd like to focus on, you can run the name of that company in the search. Hoovers will give you a list of not only the parent companies, the headquarter locations, but also all of their subsidiaries. And for international companies, the headquarters and subsidiaries across the globe. In this case, I searched for Netflix, and we can see here that my top result is the public parent and its headquarters located in California. These profiles are detailed, and the more detailed the report is based upon how much information can be found about the company in publicly available outlets. So these reports are usually made up of information that can be found in investor relations pages, in tax filings, and through other publicly available outlets. The information that's listed along the left-hand side are all subsections of this report. So we can see everything from an overall company description to a SWOT analysis of that company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, down to financial information like the revenue, income, expenditures, and so forth. So these are the reports that you can find for companies using the company search in Hoovers.